This is Mr. Elmhorst with the help video for the homework solving inequalities. So if we take a look at the first inequality, we got V is adding 25 and it's less than or equal to 45. First things first, you're going to bring your symbol down. The symbol does not change. The variable does not change. So you're going to bring the variable down and the symbol down. Now we're actually going to solve just like it's an equation. So the variable plus 25, we're going to solve by subtracting 25 to find out what the variable is. On the left side, the 25 cancels, and we got 45 minus 25, which would give us the solution, which variable is less than or equal to 20. Let's continue. The next one, we're just going to get into the habit or the practice of finding the variable and the symbol. Bring the variable down, bring the symbol down. Some students accidentally change to an equal sign. Pay attention to what you're starting with. Make sure you keep it there. Variable, symbol, now the solve. In order to solve subtracting 5, we're going to add 5. It cancels on the left. And we got 8 plus 5, which is going to give us 13. Bring the variable down, the inequality sign down, and then solve. This is the solve. 7 minus 4. Go ahead and keep working ahead on these. You should be getting the hang of it. A is greater than. Cancel with the variable and then solve. The variable is B is greater than. Cancel what's happening to the variable and then do the same thing on the other side to solve. All right, let's head over here to the right. That was adding and subtracting. So now we're going to do the same thing here. Variable, symbol, and now the solve. The opposite of dividing is multiplying. So you got m is less than or equal to. So we have 3 times a. This is multiplication. Got the variable, the symbol, and the solve. We're going to divide to solve. 21 divided by 3. 7. Number and a letter means multiply. What's the opposite of multiplying? I'm going to divide it. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So t is greater than 1/4. Now if you want to get fancy with it, 0.25. 1/4 is 25 cents. Okay, finishing up the multiplying and dividing on the right. Divide by 4, divide by 4. It's going to be 0.25. Just a quick conversion. Thank you for the correction on this one. H divided by 3, you're going to multiply by 3 on both sides. The solve is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. 5 divided by 5 is 1. That's going to cancel. G is less than 1.1. All right, now you're just going to read phrases and graph it. This one says above 8. This one says below 8. So the top example, I is less than 8. So the arrow would go to the left, and then it would be an open circle because this cannot be equal to. A number is under 40. A number is over 40. Over means greater. Greater means going to the right. The most. The most is 18. 18 can be 18 is the most, so it's equal to. If 18 is the most, then that means everything else is less than. Less than or equal to is shaded. A number is at least 18. 18 is the least. If 18 is the least, that means everything else is greater than. A number Q is under 10. Under means below or less than. Going to the left. Under 10. Over 10 is bigger. So we're going to do the open inequality sign over. Q is over 10. Over is going to be going to the right. Finishing the front side, on top you have INEQUAL. It should be ITY. Inequality, we're checking to see it. Do we understand greater than, less than? Look at the vocab words. U is greater than 28. A is less than 3. L is less than or equal to 10. Go down through, check your answers, make sure the arrow is going in the correct direction, and whether it's shaded or unshaded. On the back side, you're going to check the variable, less than or greater than, check and see if it can be equal to, and then the number. Variable, symbol, and then the value. Where are you starting at the number line? A less than 13. Oh, not equal. Just make an easy number line, 13, open circle, less than. A is greater or equal to 7. And start at 4, put a circle at 4, and then go to the greater than side.